If you're anything like me, most of the quilts that you make you give away as a gift. So all the Fold and Sew quilt kits and tops come with a gift tag that allows you to tell the gift receiver just what they need to do in order to take care of their quilt. It also lets them know that you made this quilt, which we know is important. So I'm going to take a minute and share with you what information you need in order to fill out this gift tag. Begin by filling out your name and the date that the quilt was made or the date that it was gifted. All Fold and Sew quilts are made of 100% cotton, so you already know that you need to list cotton as one of the fibers the quilt is made of. In addition to cotton, you will need to note whatever your batting is made of, which should be listed on the batting's packaging. In this case, my batting is made of cotton and polyester. Take note of the wash instructions on your batting's packaging. In this case, it's recommended that my batting be laid flat to dry, so I'll mark out the tumble dry icon on my gift tag. Now all you have left to do is gift your beautifully handmade quilt to someone very special in your life.